welcome to the Search Engine Optimization course session by Intellipaat. So let's get started with search engine landscape. All right. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's very, like it's being mentioned, it's a process of taking measures to gain organic traffic. What exactly organic traffic is, let me help you with a specific example by going onto a browser. Let's say this is Google search engine, guys. And why, who all use Google search engines? I would say everybody uses search engine these days. Provided if you are looking into this video, if you are into the internet space, and you would be using search engines, I believe. Let's say I am one of the search engine users and I want to buy in something. I want to buy an iPhone, right? I want to buy an iPhone 6. I have decided that I need a new iPhone or a new phone. I know that what phone I need, what phone do I want to buy. This query of mine in my head, I translate that into the search box, right? I type that across that query of mine into the search box. I press enter, right? So this query you can see, which I have mentioned in the Google search box and pressed enter. When that's being done, the search engine has given me a lot of search results. You can see these search results are there, right? You have search results on the top, on the bottom, second, third, and then fourth and fifth. And then you have on the right hand side certain image search results, and then there are again certain text search results. Now I would like to tell you this. First of all, the query which I put in internet marketing language, that is called a keyword. I know most of you might be knowing it, but it's very important for me to let you know right from the basics. This specific query is called keyword. I repeat again, a keyword is the same thing which is written across, submitted across by the search engine user in the search box. When the keyword is being pressed across, entered by the search user, and uh, enter button has been pressed across, the search results come in. These all are search results. Now, what exactly SEO is? SEO is all about getting a website on the organic results which you saw. This is an organic result. Now, what is an organic result? The very first search result, which is not an advertisement. You can see the very first search result which you can see is this one, but this is actually a paid search result. You can see a yellow icon with an ad being there. This is something which we will cover in the Google AdWords module, guys, right? So paid ads, we cover that in detail also. So just to let you know, this is not SEO, guys. This is a paid ad, which is any advertiser. So advertiser Amazon is trying to advertise their website over here, and they have got their website on the top. The reason why they've run this ad, they've got this advertisement on the top, so that the customer or the search engine user who's placing in a keyword, who is looking to buy a specific phone, can get in touch with Amazon very easily. The chances of the very first search result getting maximum traffic is the most. Whosoever will type in this particular keyword will definitely try to open the very first search result. This is a human tendency, that we generally try to open the very first search result, followed by second preference to the second search result, then the third, then the fourth. If I talk about these search results, the ones with yellow icon, these are the paid search results, guys. The first one, the second one, they come up with the help of Google AdWords. So we are not going to cover these in the search engine optimization module. That'll be covered in the Google AdWords. The one which comes on the bottom of the ad, this is what an organic result is, guys. There are three names which are given to a specific, there are 3 to 4 names which are given to the specific search result, guys. I would repeat, you can probably note them down. One is an organic result. It is an organic result, or a natural result, or a SEO, search engine optimization SEO result, right? Or an unpaid result. So you are not paying to Google to get your website on the top. You are just optimizing. You would be doing on page and off page. That's what we will study. How can I get my website on the top in the organic listings? No matter how many people come, type in a keyword and click on my website 1,000 times or 2,000 times, I am not going to get charged. Apple is not getting charged for whatever number of people come and click on this. But with Amazon being on the top, if 10 people type in a keyword, and these 10 people get to see the Amazon ad, and all these 10 people click on the Amazon ad, 10 clicks, on the basis of clicks, they would have to pay. Amazon would have to pay to Google for every click which happens on their advertisement. But over here, with Apple or with Snapdeal being there in the SEO result, they're not paying in anything. That's the difference between the organic listings and the paid listings. I repeat, these are the paid listings or the Google AdWords listing. And I repeat again, these are the organic, natural, or the unpaid or the SEO listings. So four names I've already given you, right? The search results which are there on the right hand side, that is basically a shopping ad, guys. A shopping ad, a Google shopping ad. This is also a paid advertisement. The difference between this top paid ad and this paid ad is that the shopping ad comes always with an image. The text ad, the text paid ad is just a simple text altogether content, right? On an average, guys, maximum what you can see, maximum you would see top three results are paid, not more than that. Google has a strict policy that maximum three results on the top can be the paid ones. And on the right hand side, maximum eight results can be the shopping ads, not more than that. So maximum three on the top, maximum eight shopping ads. And even on the right hand side, if you would see, the paid ads are still there, the content, the text paid ads. There is a restriction for that also, maximum 8 paid ads on the right hand side. That is with one SERP. Now I would tell you what SERP is. So if you would see when the keyword was being typed across, this is one SERP, which is search engine result page, guys. This is one SERP, and then you have the second SERP. I'm clicking on that, right? You can see there are advertisement on the second SERP also, which is the second page, search engine result page. You have the Amazon, Apple, Flipkart, and then you have certain shopping ads again. If I go further, scroll further down, you would get to see that there is one, two, and then another third SERP, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on and so forth. That's what an SERP is. And with every SERP, which is every search engine result page, SERP stands for search engine result page, maximum three top paid ads. I repeat, maximum three top paid ads are given across. So since the maximum is three, so it can be minimum zero also. At present, in this particular example, there are only just two on the top, and on the right hand side you have maximum eight uh, these product listing ads or the shopping ads. Shopping ads are also called PLA ads, which are product listing ads. On the right hand side we have maximum eight paid results, 8 paid ads. So 8 paid ads, text ads on the right, and 3 on the top. Maximum 11 in a SERP. In every search engine result page, you can have maximum 8 plus 3, 11 search paid results. Search paid results, and maximum 10 unpaid or natural or organic. So you can see 1, 2, 3. I mean, you go so forth and so on. These are maximum 10 in the organic. We would study how can we get our website on the top for the unpaid listings, right? That's what overall search engine is. So search engine optimization, guys, I repeat again, it's an overall science, a process of getting your website on the top of the search results, right? So these are the search results for a specific keyword. You want your website to be on the top of the search results organically in the organic listings, not in the paid one. So that Apple has done it perfectly. Snapdeal has done it perfectly. Best Buy has done it perfectly. The higher you are, the better chances are that you're going to get maximum traffic, maximum relevant traffic, and ultimately traffic would result into sales, which is the end objective of every business. I hope you would agree that every business needs sales, revenue, and profits, nothing more than that. I mean, definitely other things does get attached to it. I mean, customer experience, satisfaction, all these things are needed, but every business is there to earn money, and I hope everybody is over here to learn SEO to make money out of it, right? So that's the objective. I'll move back to my slide again. All right, so like I said, SEO is the process of taking measures, which is taking all these corrective actions and measures to gain organic traffic from search engines. Your ranking and placement on a search engine website depends on user queries. So the user query which I had used in that particular example was buy iPhone 6. If my end customer is typing in buy iPhone 6 and I sell across iPhone 6, it's a perfect thing. I should get my website optimized for those specific queries which my end audience would type in while looking for a kind of product which I also sell, right? So which in turn rely on what your web page have done for SEO. So we would do a lot of things on the web pages which we have for websites. It's very important to have a website to run the search engine optimization. So there are multiple ways to optimize a website, which include things like putting in a lot of content, and also ranging from using the front end user oriented content. So content is one thing, getting backlinks, and working out on the website layout altogether, right? So that's in brief, guys. I mean, not in brief, I would say in very much depth what SEO stands for, what SERP stands for, right? Search engine result page, and how is the overall categorization there. All right, another basics. So we are understanding the basics within search engine landscape. What exactly a search is, why people search. Give me an let me give you an example. Let's say 20 years back or 25 years back, when there was no internet, hardly any internet, and the way we used to read books was like, I mean, we used to enter into a library, and let's say, just imagine a situation: you are in your school library or your college library, you enter inside the library and you're looking for a particular book. Now, when you're looking for a particular book, what are you trying to do? You're going to search for it, right? There's a huge database of books. There are huge towers of these books which are lying in your library. And out of those lakhs of books, or maybe thousands of books, you're just looking for one single book. How would you get to know that the book which you're looking at, where is that placed? Earlier, we used to ask our librarian that where can I get a such and such book with such and such author. He or she, the librarian, used to tell us that, or even now this happens in the other libraries, some of the old-fashioned libraries, the librarian tells us that please go to the tower number A or tower B, or the overall this particular rack, and within that rack, then within tower A, you have a certain section which is A uh, 1.1. So the librarian was helping you do the search part very easily. So we always do a search to find a lot of information. We always keep on hunting for various information. Now today I decide that I want to go to a restaurant for a dinner or for breakfast, whatever the time of whatever time you are looking at this video. So let's say I decide to go for dinner in a very good fine dining Chinese restaurant. What would I do? These days, we always keep a check on search engines. We always ask search engines. I need to buy a phone. I need to buy a car. I need to go for with any sort of online shopping. I need to complete. I am a college student. I need to complete my project. I am a small kid. I want to watch cartoons, or I am again a school-going kid who is looking to look for certain movies, or what all things. We always, every sort of individual is searching in something or the other. So on the internet, searching is just all about finding and stuff. We all know that, right? So but it's very much important for me to let you know, even if you know that. So somewhere in a location, in a collection of huge database documents or web pages, also in the internet space, there are huge web pages which are stored across by search engines. Search engine stores a hell lot of web pages, a lot of web pages which gets constructed on day-to-day basis. They are being taken into consideration. They're being read and saved by search engines in their database. So all these search engines have their huge data centers, guys. Now consider, imagine one more thing. I'll ask you to imagine one more thing. Imagine you are in a particular uh, corporate office which is way too tall, as in when the it's a taller building, and it's a cold storage unit, and it has a huge, I mean, very tall towers also, and these tall towers are data centers of these search engines. You would find, I mean, there are plenty of data centers which Google owns in various countries. So they have a good number of data centers in United States, some of them in India as well. So within their data centers, these cold storage units, which you have imagined just now, they've got heaps of web pages being stored. Now the search engines keep on searching for lot many new web pages in the internet, and the search engine keep on scanning, reading, and then saving all these data in their data center, so that whenever the end customer of the search engine puts in a query or the keyword, whatever you call it, the query or the keyword, the search engine algorithm works again and showcases only those search results which they find to be best and relevant, right? So all in all, it's a collection of documents or collection of web pages and other things. There is a lot of information which you would want to find. You look like we were looking for the iPhone 6 and we were being given search results of Apple, Amazon, and Snapdeal and other websites. So you don't have a web idea where exactly they are. So you perform a search activity.